How to cultivation yellow watermelon, Citrullus lanatus, to fruit fast for beginners. Watermelon or Citrullus lanatus is one type of vines plant originating from the family Cucurbitaceae. This fruit crop is derived from the half-desert region of South Africa. Watermelon plants have fruit with hard skin and are light green or dark with dark green lines or lines. Watery watermelon meat and red or yellow depending on the cultivars. Scientific classification: watermelon. Kingdom: Plantae. Division: Magnolia phyta. Class: Magnoliosida. Order: Cucurbitaceae. Family: Cucurbitaceae. Genus: Citrullus. Species: Citrullus lanatus. Here's more how yellow watermelon cultivation. 1. Terms: grow yellow watermelon. Terms: grow yellow watermelon is generally the same as other watermelon growing conditions. This watermelon can be planted in lowland areas with an altitude of 600 meters above sea level, has a rainfall of about 40 to 50 millimeters per month and has a temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. This watermelon can grow well on sandy soil types with pH 6 to 6.7. 2. Preparation: seedlings yellow watermelon. Seedlings moistened first and then immersed using newspaper for 1 to 2 days until the seeds germinated. If the seeds have germinated with a root candidate along the 2 mm, then move to the seed medium in the form of polybag. Put polybag seedlings under the sun and do watering routinely as much as 1 to 2 times a day until the seeds aged about 12 to 14 days and have 2 to 3 leaves before being transferred to plant the actual planting. 3. Preparation of land: planting yellow watermelon. If the soil type on sandy soil, planting land to be used for planting watermelon does not require special processing. But if not, then the land on the planting land needs to be ejected first. Next, do basic fertilization on the bed by using manure or organic fertilizers so that the soil fertility of planting land increases. Make a bed with a width of about 3 meters, for typical planting system, up to 6 to 7 meters, for double planting system, and height of about 50 centimeters. 4. How to plant yellow watermelon. After the seedlings have 2 to 3 pieces of leaves or have been aged 12 to 14 days after seedling, the seedlings can be moved to planting land. If the planting method used is typical system, then the ideal plant spacing that can be used is about 90 to 100 centimeters times 3 meters, and when using a double cropping system, then the ideal plant spacing that can be used is 90 to 100 centimeters times 6 to 7 meters. If everything is ready, immediately do the planting. Before planting, polybag seedlings removed first and then input the seeds to the planting hole that has been prepared and then back up and paste solid. This planting should be done in the afternoon, when the sun is not too hot. 5. How to care for yellow watermelon plants. Once the seeds are planted, apply black-silver plastic mulch. The application of black mulch aims to prevent the growth of weeds and other disruptive plants around the plant, while silver mulch aims to maintain the temperature and humidity of planting land. If Untitled is given mulch, then do weeding on weeds or other disturbing plants. After the watermelon plant grows about 50 centimeters, then do the installation of litter, and when the plants are fruitful, then give the base on the fruit. At the beginning of fruiting, do the perembolin on the watermelon growing at the base of the stem and leave 1 to 4 pieces, which is 1 meter from the base of the stem. 6. Yellow watermelon harvesting period. Harvesting of this watermelon can be done after the fruit is about 65 to 75 days after planting. Similarly, the discussion about complete guide how to cultivation of yellow watermelon to fruit fast for beginners. Hopefully useful, and follow our next post. See you soon and thank you.